Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today I'll show you step-by-step process in WS portal. I hope you are already aware about WS portal. Now let me switch back to my Internet Explorer till the time I open it. Let me tell you about WS portal. This is normally used for ECA, that means Education Credential Assessment, mainly for US and Canada. So as a first time user, you have to create an account. So you have to select your country. Let me select Canada. Okay, so there are two type of normally people use. One is for higher education, and one is for PR, like immigration, PR, citizenship, all those stuff. Now, for higher education, you have to select that one, standard application, and for PR immigration, you have to select this one. So let me click this one. Okay. So here you have to write down your email address and a verification code will be generated and will go to your email address. You have to write down that verification code in here so that you can create your login. So I will simply create that login and come back in a while. Hello friends, I'm back with my WS portal again, and once you fill up your verification code you will land up in this page, and then you have to first put your first name, your middle name, your last name, your date of birth, and if you have any WS reference number you have to select yes. If you do not have, you have to select no. As a first time user, it is expected that you do not have any WS reference number. Now you will come to this page where few of the details are already filled up. Now this is the last chance when you can change your first name, last name, your date of birth if you have put up anything wrong, and you have to select your gender from the drop down, and you have to select your telephone number from the menu. So first country code, this is drop down, and the second is your phone number that you have to manually type in. Once you fill in up all the details, we have to click next to go to next page. So I will fill in up all the details and come back quickly once I land up in next page. Thank you. Okay, once you fill up all the details, you will come to that page. Okay, where what credential have you earned, and uh, please note that you have to upload or get recognized your highest credential. If you have PhD, then PhD. If you have master degree, then master degree. And if you have bachelor's, then bachelor's. And if you have PhD, then you don't have to upload bachelor's or master's. If you have master's, then don't upload bachelor's. And if you have bachelor's, don't upload your school certificate like 10th, 12th. Okay, so now I have bachelor's degree, so I will click on the required document. Okay, now I have to fill in up all the details. I'll quickly fill up all the details and come back. Okay, so I have fill up all the details now. I have completed my BTech from University West Bengal University of Technology. Let me check the requirement. I have just clicked on view requirement tab. Okay, your education Bachelor of Technology, West Bengal University of Technology, India. Now here the same thing that you need to upload the topmost degree that you have achieved. Now your requirement checklist, degree certificate, you have to get the degree certificate. I hope you have, or the provincial one. You have to upload it, and then statement of marks or university issued and attested. Here you have to upload the transcript. You have to request a transcript to your university and get it uploaded. Okay, now I will move back to my account and show how to upload your details. Now here, add credential. Okay, okay, I have to log in again. I'll log in again and come back quickly. Okay, I have logged in and again back to same page. Now add credential. Okay, so here you have to add all the details. Let me quickly put up all the details. You have to put up here. You have to put up your degree. Like it is, if it is IT, then information technology. It is computer science. Here you have to select the year, and here you have to select the duration. Okay, this is pretty much simple. It is not very much critical one. And here you have to give your first name, last name. Okay, so I will just quickly fill up all the details and come back. Coming back to next page, you have to select the address where you want to send this report. The first one is you, that is by default. You have to click on add your address, and you have to select the address how you want to do it. Okay, then the immigration institute. So by default one is IRCC, and if you want to send to any other, then you have to select here and you have to search it. Now they can only send you to some pre-approved list. The pre-approved list is here. You can only select your report to this in institutions. So you have to select here. Okay, then I will fill in up all the details and come back. One point I have missed to mention that when you are selecting that address, it will come as international courier or standard mail via Canada Post. So this is a lengthy process, and due to pandemic, it is taking huge time to come to you. And for this one is international courier. If you have urgency to get that, then you should use this one. Otherwise, this will okay for work for you. Now I have filled up all the details, and for my address I have select delivery method as standard mail via Canada Post, and for recipient 2 I have kept IRCC as by default, and I will select next. The next page will appear like this. Primary purpose of your evaluation, I have selected immigration. Now processing time, this is 35 business day. Please note that the day starts from the day you upload your transcript. Now available packages, you have to pay 220 for this. Please note, this is not 220, you have to actually pay 230. 220 for your evolution and 10 CAD for the postal charges. For the transcript, they will send you to your home address. For me, it is 10 CAD. So the total amount that I have to pay from India, it is 230 CAD. Now I will select next. In next two pages, there are personal details you have to review and confirm. Nothing are there. Okay. So I will skip those pages for now because there are personal details for me, and I will show you the page where I have to pay the amount. Okay, now I have skipped one page, and on the next page I have scrolled down to the very end. Now the delivery method for recipient 1, that is my home address in India, it is 10 CAD, and for the second it is e-delivery, so there is no charge for that. Now the total price is 230 cat that I have told you earlier. Okay. Now here you have to check in all the box and you have to click next. Once you click next, there will be a box appearing, and that will ask you to re-verify your first name, last name, your date of birth. Please note, once you pass that page, you will not able to rectify your first name, last name, and date of birth. So please make sure all the details matches your document. I mean the certificate or the transcript. And I will select all the details and come back quickly. Okay, so here I'm back. Once you verify your first name, last name, and your date of birth, you will land up in this page. But before that, there will be a pop up where you will be asked whether you are a citizen of Canada or you are not. For me, it is not. I have selected that checkbox, and this page came actually. Now the total amount that I have to pay is 230. I can select credit card or debit card, check money transfer, or Western Union money transfer. But credit card or debit card is the most convenient way, so I will select submit. And here are the details you have to fill in up. These are pretty simple and very standard. Once you submit payment, only then your WS reference number will be generated, and all the university where you will be applying for transcript, they will require your WS reference number. So this is all for today, and if you have any query, please do comment in the comment section, and please subscribe my channel for more videos like that. Thank you. I hope this video was informative to you. Have a good day.